Hi, we are Team Mediguard, and today we're going to present our app, Mediguard Ethereum, that we built using AWS partyrock.
Malaysia's healthcare access crisis. 2.3 billion people globally lack basic medical access. More than 1,000 public health clinics lack specialist equipment. 8 to 12 minutes urban emergency response time, often too slow for clinical cases. Real world impact. Mediguard targets a real, urgent, and undeserved problem in Malaysia's healthcare system. Serves rural clinics and government hospitals. It bridges patients' specialist gap, screens for NCDs with clinical precision. It reduces late stage diagnosis. Ease of use. Slider pays vital input. No typing, no errors, no confusion. Designed for clinical staff with minimal tech training. Drop down acoustic classification removes ambiguity. The app speaks the language of the health worker, not the researcher. Instant color coded results. Output shows at a glance severity status that any clinical assistants can interpret without medical training, with multilingual options also available. One click appointment booking. After AI analysis, patient selects doctor, appointment type, and time slot.
Now I'm going to demonstrate our app that we created in partyrock. Basically, mediguard can collect vital signs such as heart rate, breathing rate, body temperature, blood pressure, and the type of the acoustic heart classification, whether it is a dry cough, wet cough, and so on. So basically, based on the vital signs here, there is a feature for AI health analysis. In the AI health analysis feature, it offers severity status with an assessment for each of the vital sign and also a summary based on the combination of the vital signs. Besides that, it also provides a different type of consideration based on the vital sign and symptom pattern. And from the consideration, it will recommend the doctor, the expert in that particular area. Another feature, the user can also make an appointment booking and a consultation with the doctor. So for example, if they prefer the doctor number 2, then they can select the doctor name, select the appointment type, whether they prefer in-person or telehealth, and also they select the time that available for that particular day. After the user make an appointment, then it will display the confirmation. We have created another feature for the doctor view. So after the patient have made the appointment with that doctor, the doctor can also see the appointment by displaying the appointment details from that patient with their vital sign and also the possible clinical condition based on the vital sign that they provide earlier.
Reliability and trustworthiness. Mediguard has clinical reference ranges for every vitals, heart rate, respiration rate, blood pressure, and temperature, where it's compared against the standard reference ranges, structured severity classifications. The warning status is triggered by a combination of elevated respiration rate, borderline blood pressure, and dry cough, thus showing it uses a multi-factor logic and not a single metric to make decisions. Finally, transparent differential diagnosis. Mediguard lists 8 clinically consistent conditions with supporting features, plus a clear disclaimer that a definitive diagnosis requires a clinician. Next, we have scalability and long-term relevance. Mediguard has zero infrastructure costs as it's built on AWS partyrock with no servers, no setup, and no IT department is needed. It has telehealth built in as patients in remote areas can book telehealth with KPG Damansara or IGM specialists, therefore closing rural-urban specialist gap. Then there's dual view for doctor and patient. Doctor view shows structured clinician's vital summary with status flags, ready for clinical handover without any additional transcript or notes. It is also expandable to more NCDs, with the current scope showing respiratory, cardiovascular pre-screening, and there's a roadmap for future diabetes, CKD, and mental health screening. Same framework, just new medical condition modules. Mediguard Ethereum, because every Malaysian, regardless of postcode, deserves an early access to quality health screening.